The self-propelled mortar has become increasingly popular today, and the most famous one is the Finnish AMS system. With the support of modern technology, the accuracy of mortars has been effectively improved. At the same time, it also has the advantages of high firing frequency and curved trajectory, making it very suitable as a heavy firepower support weapon for ground forces. The British Armoured Mortar System, AMS, 120mm mortar system is an early modern modular system. The AMS system was developed in 1985 by the British Royal Arsenal and another company. According to the plan, it was supposed to be a modular device that could be installed on suitable vehicles to become a self-propelled heavy weapon. The AMS system is a two-person armed turret, weighing 2.8 tons. The multifaceted turret is protected by welded steel armor, with a thickness of only a few millimeters. The front armor has a large slope, but the defense is not very strong. The combat weapon is a 120mm mortar with a breech loading system, a barrel diameter of 25, and a hydraulic recoil system. The turret can rotate 360 degrees horizontally, and the gun elevation angle is -5 degrees to 80 degrees, which can fully exploit the mortar's high trajectory advantage. The mortar can use ammunition such as high-explosive shells, illumination shells, smoke shells, rocket-assisted shells, and guided ammunition. Among them, the rocket-assisted shells can increase the range to 12 kilometers, and the guided ammunition can be used for anti-armor, with a maximum range of 8 kilometers and a penetration depth of 700 millimeters of homogeneous steel armor. The system can carry 40 rounds of ammunition, and if the vehicle space is sufficient, it should be able to carry additional spare ammunition. The firing rate of the mortar is 4 rounds per minute, or it can be fired at a burst rate of 8 rounds per minute for a short period of time. Later, a high-explosive anti-tank ammunition was developed in Europe, with a 70mm armor-piercing capability, which the AMS should also be able to fire. In addition, the system has direct fire capability and can be used for close combat in emergencies, with dedicated iron sights. The secondary weapon is mounted on top of the turret, either a 7.62mm machine gun or a 12.7mm heavy machine gun. The fire control system incorporates GPS positioning, turret attitude sensing, etc. The computer can simultaneously locate multiple targets and make corresponding calculations. After the vehicle enters the position, it can fire and withdraw within 1 minute, and quickly move to the next target after several rounds of output, effectively avoiding enemy countermeasures. The designers initially conducted experiments on the M113 tracked armored personnel carrier, and it was approved for mass production in 1995. However, the system was changed to be installed on the Swiss Piranha 8x8 wheeled armored vehicle, which has reliable performance and amphibious driving capability. Subsequently, the AMS-2 system was developed as an upgraded version, with updated electrical systems in the turret, faster response in the fire control system, and a direct fire range of 1,200 meters. It can also improve defense by installing additional armor modules. The AMS mortar system installed on the Piranha is only used by Saudi Arabia and Australia, with a total of few units. Saudi Arabia has 73 units, while Australia has only 20 units. Perhaps due to poor sales, the company had already closed the production line in the early 21st century.